We want to give our sprite some dance moves. So let's open up our project. Let's go to a sprite. I'm going to select my A sprite. Then I'm going to go up to my events. I'm going to select an on-click event, in this case when D is pressed. So I'm going to just change this to D for dance. Now I'm going to go up to motion. I am going to select turn, turn right, turn left, and then turn right again. Now that I have these selected, I'm going to set them to 15, 30, and 15. Finally, I'm going to select some weight, and if you notice, I'm just putting these off on the side. I'm going to set this to 0.25, and then I'm going to duplicate it so I have two of those. And actually, this is the last part. Now I want a loop. So that loop is going to be a repeat loop, and it's going to be 10 times. I'm going to slide over these turns. Now, if I don't add the weights, you're going to notice that there's no motion. So I need to add my weight so that there's a slight pause, and we can then see the character or the sprite dance. And that's how you make a dancing sprite.